My name is Jacob Coyle with MarineMax, and today we are going to do a walkthrough of the Aquila 42 Power Catamaran. Right now, I'm going to show you the number one feature of the whole boat, and that is the direct access to the bow from the flybridge. That is one of the things that our Aquilas have had since day one, whether it be the 42, 44, or 54, that direct flybridge access makes our boats very user-friendly and very owner-operator friendly. As we're on the bow of the boat, you're going to notice two nice chaise lounge pads. The pads do fold up if you want them to for a nice little backrest. Great social atmosphere here on the bow of the boat. One of the best places when you're cruising at that 16, 18 knots is to sit over here in the Bahamas, cruising with the blue water, looking down over the bulbous bows and seeing the dolphins just swimming with you. Unbelievable spot. And you can do it both in the port and starboard side. You also, here on the bow of the boat, you do have some storage there, as well as storage on the other side. And then you do have access to your anchor system. As we work our way back from the bow of the boat to the aft of the boat, one thing we'd like to point out is the walkway. All one level walkway until you reach the end, but also notice your rails, how high up they come, how thick the stainless steel is. Very sturdy, very overbuilt rails, handles, cleats, stainless steel. This is a 42-foot boat. These are things you normally see on a 60, 70-foot yacht. Aquila has put them on their 42s to show that these boats are made to last. And as you go in the back, plenty of handrails here. And then to get down into the aft section of the boat, you do have 3 stairs that will transition you in to this wide open space. One of the things to notice right away back here is your swim platform is almost all one level. Once you take one step down, you do have the signature doors, so you can close this area off if you'd like to. But as you come back and look here, you've got a slight rise in the middle for a tender to go, but if the tender's not on the boat, you've got this whole area for paddle boards, for water sports, for lounging, for swimming, you name it. This whole back area brings versatility to a whole different level. What's really cool as well is when the tender is on the boat, you still have full use of either side of the platforms. And what you have with the tender is you do have the boom right here that will come down, pick the tender up, it'll extend all the way out, put the tender right in the water. So you can have the tender in the water and this whole area wide open as well. As you work your way back into the aft section, notice the seating you have here. The table folds so you can make your way around. Got some cup holders in there. As you come, you can easily fit 6, 8, 10 people in the back of this area for entertaining. Whether it's cocktails, whether it's going out for a sunset, playing board games with the family, playing cards, eating dinner, plenty of space here for all your guests. Again, remember, it's a 42-foot boat. You don't see this kind of seating until you work up into that 60, 70-foot range. Another very cool feature about the boat, you got your bar stools with a bar that flips open. We're gonna get to that in a second though. Another thing I'd like to point out, same as on the port side, you've got this entryway as well that gets you back down into your starboard side area. Similar to the port, plenty of space here for the activities that the day holds. As you come back through, now we're gonna open up the window. You got a little locking mechanism over here. So not only do you have the big bar, but look at the space you have when you open up this door. Much wider than a standard door. As you make your way into the galley, which is an extension of the aft social area, notice that you'll have all the finishes that you'll have at home. You've got your nice sink here. You've got your microwave, plenty of storage throughout, and this is deep storage, plenty of room to store stuff when you're on those long trips. Also got some storage here. You've got your Kenyan cooktop right here. And then there is a Bosch oven underneath here, which I'll show you in a second. And over here on the starboard side, you've got a 3/4 fridge freezer combo, as well as extra storage throughout behind it. You also have this cool little lip right here. So this area can be used for things that you don't want to fall off. Notice again, all the counter space. Plenty of room for entertaining, plenty of room to keep things secure while you're taking those trips. Also, like with the rest of the boat, the transition into the salon is seamless. Your open floor concept brings you right from the galley into this awesome U-shaped seating salon area where you do have a high-low table that makes this into another sleeping area if you'd like. Plenty of storage on the other side behind the backrest, and look at the visibility you have from the windows as you look around the whole salon of the boat. When you're at anchor, when you're at the marina, it is very peaceful, very beautiful. You also have the ability to close off some of these windows with blinds for that extra added level of privacy. As you make your way to the port side of the salon, you'll see we've got another couch here, as well as our entertainment area here, which you'll have your C zones, you'll have the Victron energy system, which will give you all sorts of diagnostics for the boat, as well as your stereo and your VHF. Behind me, what you're gonna have is the utility room on this boat. So what's in the utility room is you've got a bunk, you've got a washer dryer combo unit, and you've got space for another fridge. You can certainly check that out. On the port side is where you're gonna find your master stateroom. Notice you've got a great entryway into the master. You've got great handrails, as well as the door that closes off. First thing you're gonna notice when you get in the master is the big, beautiful windows. This is things that you see on your 60, 70-foot yachts. Feels like you're looking out right into the water, almost at that water level. Great place to wake up to and see that view. Beautiful bed behind with entry on either side as well. Great area here you can use as a vanity. We've got some storage. We've also got closet space right in here as well. And forward in the master cabin, we have your master head with a great walk-in shower. We're gonna take a look at it. As you see, plenty of space in here. You've got storage on the inside wall. And as you keep going, you've got a nice walk-in shower with a seat if you're one of those people that enjoys sitting down while you're cooling off in the shower or heating up, depending on the day. As we walk down on the starboard side is our VIP stateroom. Notice you got great handrails again. You also got the door that encloses you from the rest of the boat. Notice the big entryway into the actual stateroom itself. Big, beautiful bed, plenty of walk around space on the starboard exterior side, but look at the window. Beautiful space, beautiful views, great place to wake up. You've also got a hatch on the front to add some airflow if you do need it. Plenty of storage right here, and then you've also got some shelf storage right there. And then in the aft, you're gonna have your head along with your separate stall walk-in shower. As you walk up into the flybridge, notice awesome handrails helping you get up here with ease and simplicity. Once you're up here, look at all the space that you have. With the nice L-shaped seating, you've got versatility and you've got tons of space for entertaining. There is an insert that goes in here, so if you did want to extend the table, you're absolutely able to do so. Your entertainment area, your wet bar, is situated in a great location so you can walk completely around it. You do have the grill here as well as the sink, and then you do have the refrigerator right here. Again, notice how I can walk all the way around this area. And captain, very happy on this boat. You've got a captain's chair here, as well as a first mate, deckhand, or just a friend can sit right next to him. Social is a key on this flybridge. And you can see the captain up here. You can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe even 6 people, all that can be social with the captain, so they feel like they're part of the whole experience. The 42 Aquila flybridge is massive for the size. You have shade covering almost the entire thing. Thanks for tuning in to our walkthrough of an Aquila 42 power catamaran. If you'd like to see more of this boat or any of our other yachts, go to MarineMax.com, or better yet, stop in to MarineMax Clearwater and ask for me, Jacob Coyle.